is peaceful tonight. Something is not right here. Let's keep everyone safe.
And funny team, we need help on Christmas Street.
I'm here to help. Thank you, Tiny Blue. Uh-oh, the lights are off. The street needs help. Off. The street needs help. Calling and Funny Team. The doors are open. It's Christmas time. Ready to decorate.
Let's help.
Christmas job.
Ready to mix. Fast and careful.
I'll light the way. Here it is. The ground is uneven.
We fix the base first. Clearing snow. Snow has been collected.
Ready.
Snow in. Yay! Let's continue, Digger Max. Done. Getting gravel.
Getting gravel.
Gravel scooped. Gravel scooped. Load secured. Heading to the dump truck. Perfect load. Ready to receive. Not yet loaded with gravel.
Already aligned.
Not yet loaded with gravel. Already aligned.
Gravel loaded safely.
Perfect delivery. Heading to the mixer.
Delivering gravel.
Mixer ready. Lined up.
The mixer drum is aligned. Ready to dump. Gravel going in.
Delivery complete. Delivery complete.
The sand is now fixed. The sand has been poured. Delivering sand.
Ready to dump sand. Perfect alignment. Perfect alignment. Dump ready.
Open bed. Ready to dump sand.
Sand going in. Sand delivered. And funny. Subscribe. Mixing materials.
Adding water.
Adding water. Adding water.
Adding water. Ah, that's enough.
Concrete mixing.
Ready to pour. Pour right here. Ready to pour.
Located.
Pour in here.
Pouring concrete.
Filling nicely.
Pour complete.
Snow roller, you flatten it. It's my turn. Begin compaction.
Compress evenly and beautifully. Second pass complete.
Now it's flat. road is ready. Oh, one smooth road.
The road is fixed.
Strong and safe.
Ho, ho, ho! Good job! Jingle bells, happy city bright.
Roads are strong and safe tonight.
Ho, ho, ho! We did it right!
Mix and pour, the road's just right. Smooth and ready.
Merry Christmas, kids, tonight!